TJ here, ranger for the Dyrt, out here at Rujada Campground in Oregon. As you can see, it's $12 per site when you come in, but you could actually reserve a few of the different sites here. I'll take a picture as well so that you can see it better. But it's kind of nice actually that not all the campsites are reservable, so you can actually come out here and just try your luck and see what you can find. There's a lot of nice trails out here to do. Trestle Creek Falls is down in ways and off to the side, but then just down the road from where we are here, you can actually find Moon, Pinard, and Spirit Falls, which are 3 falls within about 6 miles of each other. A couple miles in between each one. They're actually really nice trails with some huge falls at the end. Now here at the campsite, like I said, there's about 20 sites with a day use area. Nice field out there for the kids to play in. And then there's also this nice trail, Swordfern Trail, which goes along the Layng Creek here. And this was actually a Civilian Conservation Corps project back in, I believe, the early 1900s. And actually, as we're coming up here to the day use area, you can actually see the old check-in station. I'll try to make it quick here. But all the sites here are nice and private. There's a little playground off to the side. I'll get a photo of that later. And very good for families. They are also pet friendly. And it's nice just kind of nestled here away in the woods. And here's the little check-in center from back in the day. It was 1933. And this is in the Umpqua National Forest. And this Swordfern Trail goes down through here, wraps back around. And it's a nice little spot just to kind of hang out in the woods or down by the creek.